Hi friends, in this session we will discuss some other number series problems. See friends, first problem 10, 14, 28, 52, 134. See friends, this problem is entirely different what we have done so far. 10, 14, 28, 52, 134. See friends, these numbers are not nearer to any squares or any cubes of the numbers, and also difference is also very much high. See friends, this type of logics also is there. If you practice number of times, then sometimes we will get it friends. 99% of the problems are not like this, but one or two problems they will give like this. If the paper is very tough, then definitely there may be a chance of this type of problems. See, nothing is there friends. If you do this problem, you will just get one thought that this type of problems also should be there in the examination. This type we can go like this also. There may be a chance for logic for this type of problems. See friends, nothing is there. What he has done here, 10 into 3 minus 2. See friends, 14 into 4 minus 4. 28 into 5 minus 6. Then answer is 52 into 6 minus 8. That means 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31 minus 8. That means 304. Answer is 304. See friends, sometimes this type of logics also should be there. We should remember this. See friends, we should remember this type of logic also. Normally 99% problems we will get the square or cubes or multiplication or addition or subtraction, but in some difficult problems we have to cross check like this. We have to compare these numbers, alternative numbers, 10, 28, 28, 134. See friends, how 28 came? 10 into 3 minus 2. Here 14, 52. How 52 from 14? 14 into 4 minus 4. Again 134 how? 28 into 5 minus 6. That means 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. Every time he is increasing 2. That means 52 into 6 minus 8. So answer is 304. See friends, we have to remember the logics. There is no shortcut for this type of problems. If you practice more, if you come across this in your practice sessions, definitely you will get this type of thoughts in the examination. So we will get the answer easily. See friends, next problem. 8, 7, 12, 33, 128. See friends, if you follow the previous sessions, definitely by seeing the numbers itself, you will get the answer. See friends, 8 becomes 7, 7 becomes 12, 12 becomes 33, 33 becomes 128. See friends, what I am telling you, we just observe that whether these numbers are nearer to any squares or any cubes of the numbers, or multiples of the previous number, or nearer to the multiples of the previous number. Here see friends, 7 is nearer to the multiple of 8. That means 8 ones are 8. So 7 is nearer to 8. See friend, next 12. 7 2s are 14. That means 12 is nearer to 14. Next 33. 33 is nearer to the multiple of 12. That means 36. See friends, 33 is nearer to the multiple of, 33 is nearer to 36. 12 is nearer to 14. 7 is nearer to 8. That means what is coming there? 8 into 1 minus 1. 7 into 2 minus 2. 12 into 3 minus 3. See friends, difference is 3. Here difference is 2. Here difference is 1. That means 8 into 1 minus 1. 7 into 2 minus 2. 12 into 3 minus 3. Then what will come here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 33 into 4 minus 4. Here into 5 minus 5. See friends, 8, 7, 12, 33, 128. Nothing I have done. I have observed that these are all the multiples of the previous number. That means 8 into 1 minus 1, here into 2 minus 2, here into 3 minus 3, here into 4 minus 4, here into 5 minus 5. Then go for calculation. 5 8 are 40, 5 2 are 10 plus 4 14, 5 1 are 5 plus 1 6 minus 5. That means 635. So answer is 635. See friends, if you think that the problem is difficult, then definitely it will become difficult. If you think that it is very easy, then it will become easy. Based upon our mindset, the examination will be there. See friends, if you have a positive mindset, definitely you will get the answers. If you think it is a difficult, then everything will become difficult. What is there? Nothing is there. Just I observe that whether these numbers are near to any squares or any cubes or the multiple of the previous number. See friends, given numbers are the multiples of the previous number. There I got that logic. 7 is nearer to multiple of 8. 12 is nearer to multiple of 7. 33 is nearer to multiple of 12. 128 is nearer to the multiple of 33. Then I find the logic and I got the answer. See friends, next problem. 24, 11, 10, 14, 27. See friends, what I am telling you, before reading the problem itself, I am telling you, you just observe the numbers, whether given numbers are nearer to any squares of the numbers or any cubes of the numbers, or the previous number is, are the multiples of the previous number. See friend, here these are not the squares or cubes or nearer to squares or nearer to cubes of any numbers, and also the second number is not the multiple of the previous number, and we have to check. See friends, 11 is nearer to the half of the 24. Here 27 is the almost double of the 14. That means some multiplication is going on. See, 14 2s are 27. Here 24 into 1 by 2. That means 0.5. That means 12 will come. 12, but here 11 is there. That means 12 minus 1, 11. Like that logic we will apply. Here 14 2s are 28 minus 1. Here what is come? 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 1. 24 into 0.5 how much? 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Here 14 into 2 minus 1, 27. That, see friends, observe the logic. Here 0.5 is there, here 2 is there. Here 11 become 10. That means here 0.5 we will assume, suppose here 1 into 1 minus 1. See friends, 11 into 1 minus 1, 10. Here 0.5 came, here 1 came, here maybe 1.5 because 10 plus 5 nearer to 14. That means 1.5 into 10 how much? 15 minus 1. See friends, 10 into 1.5 equal to 15. That means 15 minus 1, 14. Here 14 into 2 minus 1. 14 2s are 28 minus 1, 27. Like that. See friends, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. Here 2.5 will come. Minus 1. 27 2s are how much? 54. 25 off how much? 13.5. That means 67.5. Here minus 1 is there. That means 66.5. Answer is 66.5. See friends, nothing is there. What I have done? Just I observed the first two numbers and the last two numbers. First two numbers means 11 is almost half of the 24. That means, see friends, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 1 by 2 is also off, 0.5 is also off. So 24 into 0.5 minus 1 equal to 11. Here 14 into 2 minus 1 equal to 27. That means like that series may come. Then I checked it. Here 0.5 is there. Then 10, how 10 will come from 11? 11 1 there 11 minus 1. Here also minus 1 is there. Here also minus 1 is there. Here also minus 1. Definitely here also minus 1 will come. Then here this series. Here 0.5 is there. Here 1 is there. Then here 14 is almost 10 plus half of the 10. That means 1.5. So 1.5 minus 1. Then 2, 2.5. Every time he is increasing 0.5 and subtracting the number with minus 1. So answer is 27 into 2.5 minus 1. That means 66.5. Nothing is there. Just concentrated on the given numbers and you will get the logic. See friends, next problem. 4500 996 dash 0.012. See friends, if there is a big numbers in the given problem, definitely there may be a simple logic. Friends, if there are big numbers in the given problem, definitely there may be a simple logic. See friends, 4500 become 900. How 4500 become 900? 900 become 90. 90 become 6. See friends, 4500 996 dash 0.012. See friends, 4500 996. See friends, how 4500 become 900? 5 nines, 2 zeros. Here how 9000 become 90? That means 90 into 90 tens 9000. Sorry, 900. That means by 10. Here 90 become 6. That means 15 6 jar 90. Then what will come here? See friends, 5, 10, 15. That means 20. See friends, 2 tens, 2 threes, 3 by 10. That means 0.3. So answer is 0.3. See friends, answer is 0.3. See friends, nothing is there. If there are big numbers in the given series, definitely there may be a chance for simple logic. Here nothing is there. But if you are afraid by saying 4500 here 0.012, you won't get the logic. By peace of mind, we will get the simple logics. See friends, directly we can do here. 5 9s are 45, that means 900. Again here 10, 10 90s 900. Here 15 6 are 90, that means 5, 10, 15. Here 20 will come. Then 2 tens, 2 threes, that means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 0.3. So answer is 0.3. No need to write the steps also. If you practice more number of problems, then straight away we will get the answer while reading the problem itself.